Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create event in your WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in Chrome, and once in the Chrome you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com, then simply click on enter. After that you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and it will simply take you to this site. From here you have to just simply click on the edit site option here in the right hand side, and it will simply take you to here, and then just simply click on the plus icon here in the top navigation bar. And once you click on the plus icon, here you have to just simply search for events option here. So let's say I'd like to type in the events option, and here you can see we are typing the events option, and it depends it takes time to load it. Here you can see, and here you can see you have already got the events, the event countdown and event option is already showing here, and you have to just simply type in the event option here. And let's say I'd like to choose this one. Just choose the event 5 option, choose a template that's actually according to your preferences, then just simply press it, and here you can see that the event option is already showing here. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.